and nobody will admit to blackballing Howard Sprague.
Fine boy. Good to his brother.
Yeah. Now, we've blackballed other fellows in the past, but we all knew the reason why, you know? Oh, hey, Howard.
I was just wandering around and saw the light.
Oh.
I thought I'd come in and say howdy.
Oh, yeah. Howdy.
Howdy.
So maybe it'd be a good idea for us to give Howard a call and bring him over here again, let everybody get to know him a little better, and then whoever blackballed him might get a chance to change his mind. What do you say?
Well, Gruber, guess I better be going.
Oh, yeah, well, I'll see you.
See you.
Hey, Howard. Come on in, all the fellas are here.
Is it all right?
Well, sure, they're just sitting around playing cards. Come on. He can't go in. What are you talking about?
I mean, well, it's, look, keep me here for a minute. I got to do something. Quick! Hide your cards! Hide your cards! Come on, everybody, put them away! Put them away! Hey, what you doing? What you doing? I tell you, you gotta stop playing cards! Why do you do that? I have to think you're saying about it. Well, put them away! Play them! Come on, stop! You can't see cards playing, ain't you hear me? What's got into you? Well, I just had to do it, Andy. I didn't want it to turn out like his daddy. What are you talking about? Well, you know, gambling, playing stunt poker, and all